Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Ahmed and this is part 51 of ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create dropdown with the help of MultiSelectList in .NET Core MVC. This is a continuation of part 50, dropdown using SelectList in .NET Core MVC. So please watch it before proceeding with this one. I shared the link in the description. In our previous videos, we have created a dropdown with the help of option tag within select element, select list item, and select list. In this video, we will explore how to create dropdowns with MultiSelectList. Let's get back to Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working on. Here in the last example of our last video, we bind dropdown via dictionary. Let's go to the definition of select list. And you can see select list is inherited by MultiSelectList. Let's open both the classes side by side. And you can see select list is using almost all properties of MultiSelectList, and it only has one property defined, which is selected value of type object. And if you go to MultiSelectList, it has property selected values plural of type IEnumerable. This means if you want to select multiple values by default, you can use MultiSelectList, and if you want to select a single value on load, then you can opt for SelectList. Simple. Let's go to controller. Here, instead of SelectList, use MultiSelectList. And save and run the program. Click on Add Employee. As you can see, dropdown is created and we have everything working as expected. Right click to inspect the element, and you will find the correct value is associated with the text. Simple, extremely simple. So other stuff is similar to selected list. Try it by yourself. Let's see how it works with selected values versus selected value, plural versus singular. Stop the application. Let's say when user open this page, by default both HR and PM should be selected. Let's create a list of strings. So list of string, let's name it selected values, is equal to new list of string, and within curly braces, let's say first value will be 2 and second value will be 3. Here 2 is the value of HR and 3 is the value of PM. Pass this list as a parameter to MultiSelectList. Save and run the program. Click on Add Employee. And you can see both HR and PM selected by default. Simple, extremely simple. Let's try the same thing with SelectList. Stop the application. Change MultiSelectList with SelectList. And save and run the program. Click on Add Employee. See, not working with SelectList. This is one difference. Let's get back to the Visual Studio. Go to MultiSelectList. And if you compare, other fields are the same as compared to SelectList. Data value field and data text field same in SelectList. The last one is for data group field, identical. Try it by yourself. Simple to use. Alright then, that's it in this video. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Till then, thanks for watching.